cars are waiting for. Assemble cars. Assemble cars. Let's learn the construction of a harvester and assemble it. First, let's install a frame. Hooray, you've got a new block. Let's install it right now. Tap the block to install it. This is the basic part of a car. The frame carries all the other parts. Now let's install wheels. A car needs rolling wheels to move on the road. Let's install an engine and a battery. The engine makes the wheels turn so the car can move, and the battery helps start the engine and provides power for headlights, controls, and other systems. Now let's install a fuel tank. The fuel tank contains gasoline or other fuel. Now we need to install a thresher. The thresher is needed to separate grains from stalks. And now we need to install a body. Body is the exterior part of the car, which is attached to the frame. Now let's install a cabin. The cabin is a separate part of a car. The car's driver sits in the cabin. Install headlights and emergency lighting. The emergency lighting attracts attention, and the headlights are needed for the driver to see the road in the dark. And now let's install a cutter bar. The cutter bar is needed to mow the ears of wheat, corn cobs, or sunflower heads. Now it's time to install a grain tank. The grain tank is where the grain collected by the harvester is stored. Let's install an unloading auger. The unloading auger is needed to move the grain outside the grain tank, for example, into the body of a grain truck. Don't stop.